Kato, you way too dope, kid.
Man, we stuck at the house, dog. Chilling with our kids. Listening to old ladies bitch about shit. The fuck, we stuck at home, man. We stuck at... People get sick, they're not surviving, man. We stuck at home. We in the land. Dayton area. Got the tumbleweeds rolling by, scaring ya. We ain't rich.
Kato, you way too dope, kid.
Motherfuckers wanna play it like that. Just living it. 2020, COVID-19, surviving it. COVID-19, surviving it.